Should you take IELTS or TOEFL? What's the difference and which one is easier? Well, let's compare them in this short video. When it comes to acceptance, IELTS is accepted by universities, employers, and immigration worldwide, whereas TOEFL is mainly accepted by universities in the USA and Canada. When it comes to usage, you can use IELTS for university, work, and immigration, whereas for TOEFL, you can mainly use it for university. The test format for IELTS is 4 sections, and TOEFL also has 4 sections. For the speaking test in IELTS, there will be a face-to-face interview with an examiner, whereas for TOEFL, it will be recorded on a computer. In regards to the scoring system, in IELTS there is a band score system from 0 to 9, whereas with TOEFL it is scored out of 120 points. The test length for IELTS is 2 hours and 45 minutes, whereas for TOEFL it's 3 to 4 hours. So which one should you take? Well, most of the time IELTS will be the better choice because it's accepted by more institutions all over the world. However, if you're applying to university in the US, TOEFL might be the better option. To know for sure, always ask the institution that you are applying to so you know 100%. So which one are you planning to take? Let me know in the comments down below.